Welcome. If you've ever wanted a bit more privacy with your Snapchat notifications, especially on your lock screen, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to hide the content of Snapchat's silent notifications so no one else can peek at your messages. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all the control happens. Once you're in, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. This section shows every app installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This will open the app-specific settings where you can manage permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different notification options Snapchat offers. To get more detailed control, tap on Notification Categories. This is important because Snapchat separates different types of notifications, including silent ones. Under the General section, find Silent Notifications and tap on it. These are the notifications that don't make a sound but still appear on your screen. Once you're inside, tap on Lock Screen. You'll see a few options here, but the one you want is Hide Content. Select that option, and that's it. From now on, whenever you get a silent notification from Snapchat, the message content won't be visible on your lock screen. You'll still know you received something, but the details stay private. This is perfect if you want to keep your conversations discreet while still staying updated. Give it a try, and you'll notice the difference right away. It's a small change, but it makes a big impact on your privacy.